Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video, and the core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting today is no. No is an adverb, and we use no as a word to express denial, refusal, or dissent. Now let's find our word no on some of our different AAC systems that you might be using. On WordPower 60 Basic, the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, no.
No.
On Words for Life, the 84 full version of the LAMP vocabulary from PRC, no.
No.
On the Snapcore First vocabulary from Toby Dynavox, the 63 grid, no.
No.
Now let's use our word no for some different functions of communication. I could protest and say, no, don't go. I could reject and say, no, it's not. I could take turns and say, no, me first. I could use my word to exclaim and say, oh, no. I could use my word to label and say, no. That isn't a train. It's a truck. I could state an opinion and say, no, I don't like pineapple. I could use my word to express manners and say, no, thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to see other videos where we target other core vocabulary words, check out my playlist here. And if you haven't already, it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.